I feel like I'm just giddy. You know, like it was like, I knew I wanted to marry you and I knew that would be special, but like the icing on top is getting to share it all.
Keep track of your score.
Thank you so much for being here.
For a whole weekend?
For a whole weekend.
How'd you know I was the one?
I mean, honestly, it's like really hard to pinpoint one exact moment. I like always go back to like the day I first said I loved you, which I did for sure black out when I said that.
PJ, you have brought so much to this family. The only thing we don't love about you is your penchant for jumping into icy cold water and bringing others with you.
I think my mom's gonna cry during the ceremony.
While speaking.
May you both remember, sorry everyone, that you are everything that your mothers and fathers dreamed of more than 30 years ago. Do you want me to repeat that?